Aspire Academy is now accepting applications for the 23-24 school year for grades 1 through 12. As a synchronous online school, students participate in live lessons and engage in real-time discussions, helping them to build important communication and collaboration skills. We're proud of our commitment to providing a safe, supportive learning environment where all students are valued and respected, and our dedicated faculty and staff are committed to helping each student reach their full God-given potential. We encourage you to apply as soon as possible, as there continues to be a fast-growing interest in our unique approach to online learning. If you have questions about the enrollment process, or if you would like to learn more about the benefits of a Seventh-day Adventist education, please contact our admissions team. We would be happy to assist you. Thank you for considering Aspire Academy. We look forward to welcoming you to our community and helping your child achieve their very best.